Today, Zimbabwe mourns the loss of a true hero, retired Brigadier General Michael Chaminuka. Saturday, the 13th of July, we lost this brave soul at the trauma center in Harare after a short illness. He was 62 years old. His passing was confirmed by his daughter, Dr. Michelle Chaminuka, who has asked us to remember her father, not just for his military exploits, but for the loving husband and devoted father he was. Brigadier General Chaminuka is survived by his wife, Dr. Lillian Chaminuka, and their 5 children. To them, he was more than a war hero. He was a pillar of strength, a source of wisdom, and a constant beacon of love. And today, as we gather to mourn, let us also celebrate the remarkable man he was. Mourners are gathering at 353 Valyonga Close in Glen Lorne, Harare. It is a time for us to come together, to share stories, to find comfort in one another, and to honor the legacy of a man who gave so much to his country. Brigadier General Chaminuka's life reminds us of the importance of courage, dedication, and love for our nation. His journey from a young freedom fighter to a respected military leader is a testament to his character and his unwavering commitment to Zimbabwe. As we reflect on his life, let us draw inspiration from his dedication. Let his memory ignite the same spirit of unity and resilience within us. Because in honoring him, we honor the very essence of what it means to be Zimbabwean. Rest in peace, Brigadier General Michael Chaminuka. Your legacy will live on in our hearts and in the history of our nation. Thank you for watching.